Hello guys, I would like to show you how to connect few routers in the same network just to have the possibility of sharing files by connected USB hard drives to the routers, because of most of the routers has this ability. And I'm using Linksys EA7500, and this is quite fast router for USB sharing. And I would like to share with you this knowledge because I had a lot of problems with connecting it and having the possibility of sharing this drive in a network. And what I have done here, as you can see, there is a main router here that is connected to the internet by the one wire to the yellow port, and through this main router there is a connection by the wire by the LAN Ethernet cable to the secondary router. Also to the secondary router there is a connected hard drive as well in the first one, and there is also a third router that is connected in the wireless bridge mode to the first one. But this third router has any options like sharing or so on. It just simple working in the access point mode, so most of the options are off. And what I have done here, I have assigned specified addresses for each router just to have them in the same place, and I will show you how I've done it. As you can see here, the first router has an ending of 1.1 with a DHCP on. The DHCP address pool is from 100 to 200, and this router is responsible for managing all the network and assigning addresses for each device in the network. So the secondary router has a DHCP off, but its IP address is set to for example one from this pool. And the third one is not set in the options because there are no such options in the wireless bridge mode. But how I've assigned these addresses for a specified router is made by address reservation for a specified MAC addresses. And as you can see, I've got all of these shares available. This is first router, this is secondary router. I can access everything, and I will show you how it's configured on the web page. So this is my, for example, this let's connect to the first one. This is my first router, and there is a IP address set to 1.1. It's the managing router. It has also a DHCP server on, and this is the pool from 100. It's different as I said before, but anyway, other routers come to these addresses pool, and that's it. And this is the configuration of the first router. And what I have also done is DHCP reservations that gives me the possibility of getting a restricted place for each router that connects. And for the secondary router, I have used his MAC address to assign it to the IP address of 102. And for the third router that is connected in the wireless bridge mode, I have used its MAC address to assign it for a IP address of 104. And you can see them here. You can you can assign them here, and it's already done. I will show you my second router. So it's a connection, it's a ending of 102, and I will show you how it's connected. It's also in the strictly in the automatic configuration DHCP. I didn't change anything. It's the internet settings are configured the same way as on the first router. Only the settings in the local router, no local network are changed. The first thing is DHCP server is off, and the router IP address is changed, and just to be different for the first one, and for example to be from the address pool, DHCP address pool of the first router. That's it. The third router that runs in the wireless bridge mode is just set to wireless bridge, and there is nothing I've changed because most of the options are off, and you can just see the connectivity that it's set for a wireless bridge. So only the third router is different. You can see the type of connection is wireless bridge. It's changed here, it's in wireless bridge, and that's it. And just it connects to the first one, as you can see, to this one. So I have already done this. I had a lot of problems with that. A lot of users have problems with this Linksys configuring and try to find out this. So I would say that's now it won't be so hard and so difficult for other users, and won't spend so much time. Just simply connect first router by the WAN port, the secondary router configured the same way, but only with change IP and turn off DHCP addressing will be also connected by the LAN wire. And the third one, that is an access point, won't need any special configuration, just to switch to a wireless bridge, and then specify and the same password for Wi-Fi for as the main router that is connected to. So hope you will be lucky, more lucky than me, because I spent a lot of time for this, and you will also get this solution how to get accessible all the hard drives on the internet shares, all the storage connected to your routers by the USB drives, and won't have any problems, and get access to it from each place wherever you are connected. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.